my lovelies, welcome to another crafting video. So it's Tuesday, but I'm not doing a sewing Tuesday. My hands are hurting, so I'm not going to make it worse by doing some hand sewing. So I thought we would carry on with our journals from our journal from yesterday, and we'll do a Catherine Revisited on a Tuesday. It's my channel and I can move it around if I want to. That's my song. I've already had to put it down to 3 signatures because 4 wouldn't fit. And now I'm even thinking I might have to find another another cover. Look at that. We'll do something different because, you know, we're using up what we've got and I like this. Put a couple more papers in that I found lying around in my stash. And I think these are going to work nicely. I have obviously got to continue with the tabs on these 3 signatures, but I think those papers are absolutely beautiful at the beginning of each signature. So we have done this before, and I'll get David to put some links above for you to watch edging series, any of our edging videos. I have done butterfly edges before, but you might find some interest if you haven't watched a couple of series I've done on edgings. You might like to go and refresh your memory or watch it for the first time. That would be great. Okay, so I've got 4 butterflies, and these are from Tracy Fox Creative. You can cut butterflies out of you know, go to the charity shop, get some nature journals, cut butterflies out. But I actually do love these. These are mini colour butterflies from Tracy. And look, she's put a lovely border around. So if you struggle to fussy cut, that's ideal. David has to do mine now. So anything that makes life easier. So yeah, I'm going to do one for, well, I've done 4 now. I'm that busy thinking I'd still got 4. I've still got 4 signatures. You never know, the other one might come back. So I've just got some edging of the card that I was using yesterday. And I'm trying to think where it would be nice. That would go on there, wouldn't it? I'm using scissors, I think. And it's double-sided. Let's see. I want a little bit showing. So I think this page will do us. Let me hold that down with me. Whale tail punch. That's a bit better. Okay. So it's a matter of placing. Now I think I want to ink round the edges of this. In actual fact, let's see what I think would be nice. Do we want pink? No, we'll go with that archival blue. Have I got a sponge? I'll use this one. Let me see. Take a while to get the sponge. When it's a new sponge, it seems to take forever. These are some cheap sponges and I don't like them. It don't always pay to buy cheap, does it? I'm feeling that the ones from Tim Holtz are better. So because there's a lot of white space on these butterflies, I'm going to put a little bit of colour on the back, because if it's seen on the other page, I've cut an antenna off there, look. Poor thing. If it's seen on the other page, for example, I like to have the butterflies like a bit hanging over. You can see the colour on the other page, so we'll do that. It's a lovely day today. First time we've had some lovely spring-like weather. It was lovely and sunny first thing. Now often here it's lovely and sunny when you open your eyes through the blinds, and then it goes raining and horrible, but so far so good. The daffodils are starting to come out, bless them. It's a bit cold still. But it always makes you feel better, doesn't it? Makes you feel better when you start seeing spring flowers come up, the snowdrops. I love snowdrops. When you start seeing snowdrops, you know things are improving and it's going to be on its way to spring. Right, so I've done 4 per page. You can do more. Depends how tightly packed you want your butterflies. I feel like I'm hanging off the edge here, but and we woke up to a load of banging and sounded like drilling, and it turns out our neighbours were having something mended on their roof. Wondered what the heck it was. You know, when you're asleep, either your phone rings or something noisy, and you think, what the heck's that? Yeah, it was one of them. Takes you a while to come round. Right, so I'm going to stick that on there first. So I think that might be easier. Just going to go halfway because I do want half of it to be showing. There we go. Let's move that up a bit. There we go. Okay. Right, so you can, I'm just going to glue half a butterfly and a little bit hanging over. So what you get on the other side is that. You can then always go round, you can make it whole, you know, all of it the colour if you wish. I think they look really effective on the side of the page. And the thing is as well, I was saying that how do we pull scraps together when none of the scraps were meant to be together? You know, butterflies are a great. And also, you know, you can put odd butterflies on a page as well, on their own at the top. You know, like just as like a nice header. Something like that. Okay. So that is easy as that. And like I say, you can double back the butterflies if you want. I mean, that's easy done. You know. And I might go back and do that. I don't know. I'll see. I'll see how we go. But how lovely does that look? So that's that first one. And as you can see, they're peeking out. You just have to be careful you do them on card, because you don't do them on card, they do tend to get bent, and the poor butterflies, the wings get spoilt. No, but I just had this thought that would look nice like that, wouldn't it? Look. Let me just make a mark where we want the glue. They don't last long without filling up these little squeezy bottles. They're a lot kinder to your hands though, because I find the big art glitter glue hurt my hands, hurt my wrist, especially in this left wrist. All the bones are grating together and it's very painful, so anything that makes it easier. There we go. Like so. So that looks really pretty. You've still got a bit of an edge there, look. And then we will go down with our butterflies. Yeah, gorgeous. We'll do that. 3 o'clock again when David and I were still awake. We're just not sleeping. I think there's so much going on everywhere, and I feel grateful we don't have family that's in Dubai. They must be worried about their people, you know, either on holiday or that live there, the expats. A lot of kids are over there working, aren't they? There we go. Aren't they pretty, these? They look really nice. A host of golden butterflies. It's not a host of golden daffodils. William Wordsworth, one of my favourite poems, that one. It's a big family thing, that poem. It was my dad's favourite, and he used it as part of his speech at my sister's wedding, and I just love. My mum passed away 1st of March, 8 years ago, and we had lovely daffodils at her funeral. They were, you know, they were just starting to be able to get hold of them, and something beautiful when it's things are a bit tough, isn't it? They just look so, I don't know, they just make you feel uplifted, I think, daffodils. There we go. In actual fact, that shows that even on quite a patterned paper, that goes. Right, last one. Let's see where we want it on here. That's a new one that I've put in. Oops, a pen's falling off. That go. And in actual fact, I may well do more than the what we've got there. No, may well do more than one each journal. Let's put it there in the middle. Oh, I've got a new book to show you on Friday that I've said before, my friend Kerry Ann, we're reading the Angela Marson's police procedural at the moment. We're starting that again next Monday. Can you believe it? It's time for our March buddy read. And then we do a book swap. So she's sent me one that's arrived this morning, which is really nice. Let's see what we've got here. Do we want that colourway or that colourway? That colourway, I think. I tried to find some butterflies that sort of went nicely as a set of 4, but I mean, that's a bit subjective, isn't it? We'll scream at the screen and go, oh no, put that one on. And you can mass make these. Cut yourself a load of strips, cut a load of butterflies out. And keep them in your stash whenever you fancy using them. Excuse me. See why you need these. These are in 200 GSM card. More like a thick paper really, but they're just a nice weight for these. There we go. Look fabulous, don't they? Definitely going to have to do a bigger, wider cover. And as you can see there, how nice is that? We're starting to pull together all our Scrappy-Doo pages. It's already can see how we can pull it together. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. Sorry for those that you were looking forward to having a bit of sewing. I'll hopefully do my best next week, but I'm not going to push it. I'd rather do a video of something else than end up not being able to do my videos again. So take care out there, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.